Can you give me just a quick high level, like what does legal due diligence entail? Because I'm just imagining, I always think of every company, you have a bunch of employment contracts, bunch of customer contracts, bunch of vendor contracts across the board.
Yeah.
Is it just reviewing all those contracts? Like what else does it include?
That is probably the biggest and most time-consuming piece is reviewing contracts. You're reviewing for any unusual provisions, things like non-competes, like say you're on the buy side. If you're taking up on an agreement as a non-compete, you want to figure out how that's going to impact you. You're looking for things like indemnities in these contracts, depending on what space the business is in. A limitation, a caps on those liabilities can be very important. So looking at those sort of things. You're looking at the logistics for transfer, whether it requires consent for assignment or change of control. So those things you have to comply with to actually move the contracts over. So it's a lot of contract review. You also will get into like corporate document review. So you're looking at their governing documents, basically sometimes maybe what they have to do, especially if there's like a large shareholder base. Like what are the requirements to get approval to do the deal? You look at their minutes, their board and shareholder minutes, because oftentimes they'll discuss issues that pop up. So you'll look at those and you might see something like, oh, you're discussing this litigation at this board meeting. What happened with that? Litigation is another thing the legal team dives into, the litigation profile. Somebody getting sued all the time? Are they not getting sued all the time? Are there product liability risks with a certain business? Looking at the IP portfolio, have they adequately protected their IP portfolio? Is there really value in that? Are there gaps? Have you gotten the proper invention assignments from like employees or third parties? And then you're looking at the employee side, employment contracts, things like that, handling all the benefits and ERISA stuff and everything that comes with that. Tax attorneys are weighing in. There's a lot more. Contracts is what people really think about, but there's a lot more to it than just looking at contracts.
I'm going to stop writing off the value of legal counsel now.